Hello everyone, it's Angel from Digify Solutions and I'm back again with another tutorial video, and today we'll be looking at a very simple trick on how to convert binary to decimal. In the last video that I shared, I talked about how to convert decimal to binary, and today we'll just be looking at how to convert binary to decimal in a very simple trick. So let's assume we have a binary number of, say, let me get my pen. Say we have a binary number of, say, 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0, right? And let me just clean this. This is 0, okay? Okay, so we have 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. I want to convert this binary number to decimal. The trick is this, almost similar to what we did in the last video. Under each of this figure, just start from 1 and add the number with itself. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2, 2 plus 2 gives you 4, 4 plus 4 gives you 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus 32 is 64, 64 plus 64 is 128. Now, for us to get the decimal of this number, strike out the numbers under 0, okay? So 32 is under 0, 16 is under 0, 4 is under 0, 1 is under 0, so you strike those ones out, and would only focus on the numbers that are under 1, so which means we have 128 plus 64 plus 8. Yeah, that'll be all. Those are the three numbers that are under 1. So if you had this number together, 128 plus 64 plus 8, the answer is going to be 200. Okay, so if you check with the decimal number of this particular binary number that we have here, you'll find out that the answer is 200. Okay, let's try another number. Okay, let's just do one more number, another example for clarity. So let's assume we have another number. Say we have let's say we have 400. Okay, no, let's say we have this binary 1. So we have 1 1 0 0 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, and basically we want to convert these to decimal. Same trick. On the 0 just come 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128 2 5 6. Okay, again, we'll strike out all the numbers on the 0. We'll strike them out. Okay, we strike out all the numbers on the 0, and we only focus on the ones that has 1 on them. So that'll be 256 plus 128 plus 16, and the answer is going to be 400. Okay, so these are the simple ways to convert binary to decimal. Like this video, share this video, and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Thank you.